Welcome to the Rejuvi Facial Treatment Kit number 1. Now this treatment kit is all you need to do an amazing facial. It treats drier skins, it treats people that have a little melasma, it treats people with milder acne, oily skins. This is a kit and this is all you need on your trolley if you're wanting to start out. You've got the facial cleanser, the healing gel, the exfoliating mask. Now these are the steps that I do my facial treatments. I cleanse the skin, I do my exfoliating and I mix it with my healing gel a little bit. Then I go into putting my treatment serums on the skin, my Q flavonoid. Maybe I'm going to put a little bit of the Y moisturizer or the super soothing on the skin. I'm going to be massaging the skin. Then after I've done that, I like to do warm towels and extractions. Now after extractions, I always like to do an AHA because once I've opened up and I've cleaned out those pores, maybe I've just done a little bit on the nose, maybe I've done a little bit more extraction, then I like to put on my AHA. Now that is my active. That's going to help me to shrink those pores, brighten up any little brown spots that may be on the skin, and then I'm going to be using my healing gel after that. Once I've removed that with cool water, my active, my AHA number 1, I put my healing gel on. Now I'm going to put my treatment mask on. And you've got a couple of different masks here to choose from. Now that's something that is the final step of my facial. Once I've done that, I then go putting on my moisturizer again and then my sunblock. Down here, you have an eye product. Now, very often, it's important to make sure you're paying attention to the eye area. The eye gel in particular is something that's great for puffiness and dark circles. You don't need to put a lot on in your treatment, but it is important to use an eye product in your treatment. So here is your basic kit, which you can do any kind of facial with. This is all you need on your trolley. Some of these come in larger sizes, like the eye gel over here. Same product. The Q flavonoid, this one here, also comes in a larger size. The fruit complex number 1 also comes in a larger size. And the super soothing lotion. Now these are products I use a lot of them, but it also comes in a larger size. So this level here is kit number 1, again suitable for all skin types, and it's a great treatment product line.